Welcome to Breaking Wire. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Picture Earth, a blue marble spinning in space, its surface alive with movement. Beneath the Pacific, the Hawaiian Islands rise as the visible peaks of a vast underwater mountain range, the Hawaiian Ridge. For millions of years, this chain has showcased the planet's creative power. But now, scientists are seeing signs of change, subtle shifts hinting at instability deep below. The Hawaiian Ridge is more than paradise. It's a living laboratory, revealing how fire from Earth's core meets the ocean's cool depths. Today, geologists are detecting cracks and faults beneath the waves, suggesting the ridge may be starting to break apart. The consequences could be profound, not just for Hawaii, but for the entire Pacific Basin. This isn't about fear. It's about understanding the immense forces shaping our world. The story of the Hawaiian Ridge reminds us, our planet is dynamic, always transforming. To grasp why the ridge is fracturing, we must revisit its fiery origins. A stationary hotspot beneath the Pacific Plate has, for 70 million years, sent magma upward, burning through the crust and creating volcanoes. As the Pacific Plate drifts, new islands form above the hotspot, while older ones move away and become dormant. The Big Island sits atop the hotspot today, with active volcanoes like Kilauea and Mauna Loa. This process has built a 1,500-mile chain of islands and seamounts, the Hawaiian Ridge. Each island is a massive mountain, most hidden beneath the sea, pressing down on the oceanic crust. The immense weight bends the crust, creating stress that's been building for millions of years. This foundational tension is now reaching a breaking point. Modern technology reveals what was once invisible: deep fractures in the Hawaiian Ridge. Sonar and satellite mapping show large cracks and fault systems, especially on the Big Island's southern flank. Earthquakes, many unrelated to eruptions, signal the ridge's internal stress. The southern flank of Kilauea is sliding seaward, a process called a slump, moving several inches per year. This movement triggers earthquakes, like the powerful 2018 quake that shifted the coastline. GPS sensors confirm large sections of the islands are deforming and moving. The very weight that built these islands is now pulling them apart. The hotspot's creative force has become a destructive one. The cracks are the first signs of a slow-motion collapse. The Hawaiian Ridge is no longer as stable as it once seemed. The ridge's instability isn't just Hawaii's problem. It could send shockwaves across the Pacific. A massive underwater landslide, like the Helena Slump, could trigger a mega tsunami, sending waves racing across the ocean. Hawaii would be hit first, but the west coast of North America, Japan, and the Philippines could also face devastation within hours. Even smaller landslides disrupt marine ecosystems, smothering coral reefs and threatening local fisheries. The shifting ridge can also alter volcanic activity, opening new magma pathways and increasing eruption risks. Each event, earthquake, landslide, tsunami, eruption, is interconnected, forming a cascade of hazards. The Hawaiian Ridge's instability is a Pacific-wide concern. The region's power is undeniable. The 2018 magnitude 6.9 earthquake was a direct result of the Helena Slump's movement. That same year, Kilauea's eruption destroyed hundreds of homes, its collapse linked to the unstable ground. Volcanic activity and flank instability feed into each other, creating a dangerous feedback loop. Geological evidence shows mega tsunamis have struck before, with ancient debris found high on neighboring islands. The Alika II slide, 120,000 years ago, sent debris over 100 miles and likely generated a massive wave. The question isn't if, but when, another collapse will occur. The scale is staggering. A full slump could reshape coastlines across the Pacific. What can we do in the face of such power? We listen. Scientists at the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory monitor the Earth's vital signs with GPS and seismometers. These instruments detect even the slightest ground movement, mapping the slow slide of Kilauea's flank. Seismometers record earthquakes and magma movement, building a 3D picture of what's happening underground. By studying ancient landslide deposits, geologists reconstruct the history of past collapses and triggers. This knowledge helps assess current risks and identify warning signs. While we can't predict the exact timing, we can prepare. Science turns uncertainty into managed risk. Respect for these forces drives our quest to understand and protect. The Hawaiian Ridge's story is one of risk, resilience, and the power of knowledge. Science empowers us to prepare through education, emergency plans, and warning systems. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center uses global data to alert communities, saving lives across the ocean. Preparation, not panic, is key. Catastrophic collapse is unlikely in our lifetime, but monitoring allows us to live with uncertainty. Investing in research and technology builds resilient communities. The Hawaiian Ridge reminds us, we live on a restless, creative planet. The same forces that build islands can also destroy them. Through science, we read the planet's language and find safety and awe in understanding. In knowledge, we find our connection to this powerful world.